Lastly, Blackrock finally speaks up. Shiba Inu was forever altered by it. Can you recall the 3-day period when the cost of a Shiba Inu dog tripled? It appears as though the plot might occur once more. In other words, Blackrock is prepared to take the next step thanks to its massive wallet. The Shiba Inu army and the cryptocurrency industry as a whole may celebrate this victory. However, what is the actual situation? And why am I feeling so hopeful? We'll have to see. Hello and thank you for visiting Wealthy Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. For all your Shiba-related questions, this is the place to be. Sign up now if you want to be abreast of all the newest predictions and news in the cryptocurrency market. Make sure to hit the like button to receive more SHIB news. Finally, it transpired. The Blackrock Bitcoin Trust has surpassed the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust in size due to the large amount of capital flowing into it. This pattern has caught our eye for some time. A corporation with a lot of Bitcoin on. And Grayscale started selling millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin every day as soon as the Bitcoin ETF was passed in January. Lots of people wanted to sell because of this, which caused multiple market collapses and made a lot of people angry. Let me tell you something crucial about the way this works. The market becomes oversaturated with supply when large companies sell off large amounts of Bitcoin, such as Grayscale, which causes the price to fall. Due to excessive selling, the market experienced a decline, leading to numerous downturns and instability. Here is where BlackRock's daily Bitcoin gains came in. In contrast to Grayscale stock sales, BlackRock has maintained a consistent flow of new investors for 71 days running with no dumping or flat numbers in sight. Things remain balanced despite Grayscale selling because of the consistent buying. Things were tight and tense. There was a lot of pressure to sell from Grayscale's dumps as Bitcoin was purchased and its shares were gradually raised by BlackRock. The situation has changed now that BlackRock's assets surpass Black. Grayscale will have a harder time selling as many shares now that BlackRock owns more than they did before. Right now, Shiba Inu owners are overjoyed. The Shiba Inu, for some reason, reacts quite strongly to Bitcoin price changes. As an illustration, Shiba Inu plunged considerably more, occasionally by 10%, whenever Bitcoin fell by 5%. The good news for Shiba Inu owners is that BlackRock has surpassed Grayscale. The widespread selling that resulted from Grayscale's Bitcoin dumps hurt the cryptocurrency market as a whole, and particularly endangered assets like Shiba Inu. The entire cryptocurrency market is likely to grow more stable now that BlackRock is in control and frequently purchases Bitcoin. This should make the drastic shifts in Shiba Inu's behavior caused by fluctuations in Bitcoin values less pronounced. There will be fewer of the extreme fluctuations in the market, which is good news for Shiba Inu owners. Incredibly, BlackRock's Bitcoin holdings are now valued at $19.4 billion. The success of BlackRock was validated by renowned Bloomberg ETF specialist Eric Balchunas. Keep in mind that this fund is aiming to handle $20 billion in assets faster than any other exchange-traded fund ETF in history. The record-breaking amount of time it took to achieve $20 billion was 985 days, held by the JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF. With weekends and holidays included, the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF has hardly been on the market for 137 days. To give you a sense, the transformation is phenomenal. Picture this: the average person completes a race in 900 days. Then, out of nowhere, someone completes the identical race in just 100 days. The speed and effectiveness are astounding. The BlackRock Bitcoin ETF is outpacing its competitors in terms of growth rate. The rapid expansion of the fund and the potential impact on the market are demonstrated by this astounding rate of growth. This is intriguing as well. According to what Eric Balchunas tweeted, the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF is likely going to be the greatest of its kind for a long time, but with the low fees, huge liquidity, and strong as shares brand, there's much for everyone. According to this tweet, the Bitcoin ETF from BlackRock is currently the undisputed market leader. This highlights the potential long-term value of the ETF, as Eric believes it will likely persist for decades. He attributes the achievement to three primary qualities. The prices are reasonable, there are many transactions, and the iShares brand is powerful. The ETF is popular among investors due to its cheap fees and low cost. Trades go more smoothly in markets with high liquidity because large deals may be processed without significantly impacting prices. And further selling point of the iShares ETF is the reliability of the brand name. Despite BlackRock's obvious dominance, Eric assures everyone that there is adequate food there are still a lot of opportunities for other market participants to flourish, even though BlackRock is obviously the top. This also demonstrates how robust and expanding the Bitcoin ETF market is. Beyond that, positive flows have been observed in Bitcoin ETFs for the past 12 days running. Surprisingly, there was a moment when Bitcoin ETFs were struggling because either money would leave or activity would remain unchanged. So it's a major shift to have money coming in for 12 consecutive days. The investors' growing interest and confidence in Bitcoin ETFs is demonstrated by this lengthy streak of consistent inflows. Many more individuals are investing in these funds because they have faith in Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market as a whole for the future. Because of this positive trend, Bitcoin and its exchange-traded funds ETFs are looking attractive. Reason being a more stable market and higher pricing can be achieved through consistent inflows. The continued focus and funding may signify the beginning of a more robust and consistent Bitcoin ETF market. You would be mistaken to believe it solely impacts Bitcoin. As previously mentioned, Shiba INU are highly sensitive to fluctuations in Bitcoin. One possible explanation for the Shiba INU whale's craziness is today's abundance of good news. These positive developments may indicate that crypto is headed for a prosperous future. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Shiba INU are interdependent. The ripple effect that positive crypto market news can have on other assets is evident here. Investors are pleased and prices are driven up as confidence in Bitcoin and ETFs that follow it increases. This confidence then tends to spread to other cryptocurrencies. More and more individuals are beginning to regard cryptocurrencies as legitimate assets with potential since everyone is optimistic about their future. Every cryptocurrency market will benefit from this. Shiba Inu army appears to have been correct. Recent events have witnessed a massive sale of Shiba Inu puppies valued at $12 million. According to Etherscan's on-chain data, the total value of the transaction was $12 million or 445 billion Shiba Inu tokens. Robinhood is the name on the shipping label, but we have no idea who the recipient is. However, the recipient's address now has over $500 billion in Shiba Inu, making them worth almost $14 million. According to data, Shiba Inu is actually this whale's largest holding, with Ethereum taking a distant second. This is Robinhood's second Shiba Inu whale trade with the wallet. This address has been sent Shiba Inu tokens from Zero Hash and Robinhood during the last 30 days. The whale has also been consistently unloading Shiba Inu coins. Two separate wallets have received 200 billion Shiba Inu in the past 2 days. Things are about to get exciting now. It is difficult to determine if the address is associated with Robinhood or a single whale because to this pattern of gathering and spreading. Conversely, the market would consider this address as highly positive news if it turns out to be a single whale. Most people who shop on cryptocurrency marketplaces do so in an effort to diversify their investment portfolio. The fact that this one whale is holding on to Shiba Inu indicates that they have faith in the token's potential. That whale wouldn't make such a dramatic turn of events, in my opinion. Lots of planning and investigation went into an expenditure of this magnitude. The whale clearly has faith in Shiba Inu's future success, because the deal size reflects that. Those that hold on to their Shiba Inu investments do so because they are confident in the breed's future success. The whole market for Shiba Inu coins could benefit from this decision since it could encourage further buyers. Once BlackRock crushes Grayscale, the crypto market may finally see some happy days. This may have prompted the whale to act in the way it did, so what are your thoughts on that? Post a remark down below. I eagerly await your feedback. Today has come to a close. Make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribing and sharing will take you to our most current videos.